Every one of us learns differently. So
why am I being taught the same way as everyone else?
I'm a visual learner, but most schools are crammed with boring
lectures.
And textbooks are just a chock block of words.
Learning used to be difficult for me. I really couldn't understand why.
And sadly, my teachers didn't recognize this, and they simply branded me as slow and unmotivated.
For me, I was told not to read ahead. I had to do assignments that were too easy and just unchallenging, and I was shot down whenever I asked about things that were not in the syllabus.
I can understand why teachers did this though. They didn't want other kids to get left behind. But why do I have to be punished for it?
How is this fair? Why do we keep judging fishes by their abilities to climb? And why do we keep birds in cages when they're meant to soar?
Well, there's a simple way to reverse all of it. If teachers can see the world through our eyes, maybe they could do things differently, spark our curiosity and help us push our boundaries, but how?
This is what Pasxcel's Discovery Session is all about. To build a customized education plan first by discovering and understanding our personalities, learning modalities, and aspirations in life. And this is how it works.
First, they have an overall look at us, see our strengths, weaknesses, personality, academic standing, the various tools and assessments. This way, teachers understand our psychological makeup towards learning and where we are in our studies.
Then they have a deep conversation with us. We talk about all kinds of things. What we want to be when we grow up,
What interests us,
our hobbies,
friends, our stories.
and so much more. Because tasks alone are not enough to define us. This conversation makes us feel heard. They truly want to understand the way we perceive the world. Parents and teachers, including us, come together and discuss what we have discovered and lay out the game plan for our education journey. This is when our parents get really curious and ask questions they never really could before.
Why isn't my child doing well in the exam? What's the solution to it? Because of the information gathered, they won't get generic answers like, oh, because your son is not doing his homework and the solution to that is just to put in extra hours. Oh, your son's not getting enough sleep at night, you should be having 8 hours top. Sometimes our parents even ask technical questions like what or how many subjects we should take.
At Pasxcel, there's no pre-packaged plan that forces us to take subjects we don't need to or even want to. At the end of it all, we have an education game plan, tailored to each one of us and our goals.
Felt like a new beginning, even though the future is still unpredictable. Difference is, we're heading into the unknown with a plan. It was a game changer.
So what are you waiting for? Don't delay your future. Visit Pasxcel.com and book a discovery session today. Together, let's deep dive into your child's inner universe and unlock the genius within.